Ndewo Ndioma. Today we're learning another easy Igbo from Kids Igbo class. We're learning how to say I have and how to say I don't have in Igbo. The first thing we're going to learn is that I have is referred to as enwerem. Enwerem. If you want to say I don't have, you say it as enwegim. Enwegim. Now let's make sentences with it and see how we use them in sentences. We have here, I have a dog, which would be enwerem nkita. Enwerem nkita. Now I'm going to ask a student to tell me how to say I don't have a dog. How do we say I don't have a dog in Igbo?
Enwegim nkita.
Good job. Enwegim nkita. That's how. Now, if I want to say I have 3 books, I say it as enwerem akwụkwọ atọ. I say it again. Enwerem akwụkwọ atọ. Now, I'm also going to ask my students how to say I don't have 3 books in Igbo. That would be
Enwegim akwụkwọ atọ.
Good job. Enwegim akwụkwọ atọ. If you know you want your children to learn Igbo language in a fun, easy, interesting manner, I know you should call the number right now and join our classes. Like, share, subscribe.